Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Jackie and on my channel I try to prepare quick, easy and delicious meals for the whole family. So today I'm going to be making pan-fried salmon in a curried tomato sauce. So stay tuned for the recipe. So I have 2 salmon fillets here and I'm going to season this side with some salt and black pepper. And then on this side I'm going to season with some salt and red pepper flakes. I have my pan on medium heat and I'm adding some olive oil, and then I'm going to put both salmon fillets in, skin side down. I'm going to pan fry each side for 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes I'm flipping it on the next side. Okay, so now I'm going to take the fillets out of the pan and let them rest. Here I have 1 diced onion, 2 cups of diced tomatoes, and 3 cloves of garlic that I've minced. I'm going to first add the onions and garlic to the same pan that I used for the salmon. I'm going to let this cook with the lid on for about 4 minutes on medium-low heat, making sure to check it because I don't want to burn the garlic. Alright, so after 4 minutes I'm adding the tomatoes, and these are canned tomatoes because I didn't have any fresh ones, but either one will do. I'm going to add just a 1/4 cup of water and I'm going to let this simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes. So now it's time to add some seasoning. This is about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this all together really well and let this simmer for another 10 minutes. Now I'm adding the salmon into the sauce, and I'm just going to add some of the sauce on top of the salmon. And let this simmer for about 3 minutes. And the salmon is done. This would go really well with some pasta or flatbread, but for tonight we're having it with some collard greens, roasted beets, and sweet potatoes. If you try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, take care and happy cooking.